by a notification. There's somebody visiting me. Say hi. Weekly what's new? Nothing really. I did a couple of odd videos, did some new videos. I think that by the time I do this video, it'll be a couple of weeks by the time I post it. So if you missed a Tuesday, Tuesday, it's because I thought I put one up and I didn't. So my apologies. I'll make the next one extra meaty and tasty. What else? Still working on bikes. It's stupid hot in here. And I just got caught in a torrential downpour. We both got soaked. So not much going on. With that said, I got a couple of tool reviews to do. I'll be picking up some more stuff in a week. There's not much to report this week. So I'm going to make this as short as possible. And we're going to have fun making another video. Are you playing with vice grips? That's the vice grip drawer back there, by the way, in case somebody wonders. What else? I gotta clean this place up. Nah, I don't feel like it. It's too much work. I just make some more shelves and elevate the junk. So, anyway, I got another video that pertains to these things. It's just a little video, not crazy. But I had to acquire a few of these. You'll hopefully enjoy it. Somebody's enjoying welding pliers back there. Other than that, I'm just going to end this here because there's nothing else really to say. So stay tuned. I have some more videos coming on. I'm working on stuff. I'm taking bolts out. I have another video with this stuff in it, the freeze off. Great product, by the way. And if you're new to the channel, if you're around here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends that I got a weird channel that a guy who has a greasy head and is covered in raindrops. And it's rainy again. Ugh. We're going to get soaking out of here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.